Welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, it's Problem Daisy right here. Today I would like to introduce our quality inspection system process. Quality inspection is very important. It determines whether the signage can become the qualified product so as to smoothly carry out the subsequent packaging and transportation work. For products that cannot pass the quality inspection, we will make timely adjustments and optimizations to ensure that the signage product delivered to every customer are perfect. Our factory has many experienced quality inspectors who have many years of work experience and are very professional and rigorous in quality inspection. Every day, they need to inspect each of the sign project produced by the factory. Our quality inspection process will be adjusted accordingly according to different sign projects. The general process mainly includes checking the production documents to determine whether the order content is consistent with the product, testing whether the product meets the light anomaly and whether the light source is uniform, checking whether the sign size meets the requirements, checking whether the welding is firm, whether the grinding is deformed, whether the paint is uniform, checking whether the screws and holes are correct to ensure that the later installation is not affected, checking whether the accessories are consistent to avoid emission, and checking the final product and other quality inspection matters. All operations must be performed with gloves. Clean the surface glass glue and wipe the visual blind area after the finished product inspection is completed. The finished product is to clean and package. Wipe with electric wetting oil to keep the overall cleanliness and complete the final packaging. Strict control of product details reflects our responsibility to consumers. LCSIGN is committed to making very perfect sign, hoping that it can bring help and warmth to business and life.